We are in my second favorite season, summer. And I have decided to name this summer, Summer as It Sizzles. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ana Maggie. Thank you so much for joining me. We are going into a new season. I am so excited. We're going into one of my second favorite season. I live in Texas and I know that the weather is going to be so hot this summer, but I'm ready for it. I'm here for it and I love it. So today is actually National Pink Day. So I'm coming to you with all my pink gear on and these cute little flamingo earrings. I got these at Target with the Bauble Bar collection that they have, and also my flamingo shirt. This is from New York & Company. I will try to find them both online and link them down below. The lipstick that I'm wearing is MAC Candy Yum Yum, and I'm just feeling all the pink vibes today. But anyway, I wanted to hop on here and welcome you to a new season. I am definitely a seasonal girl. I love to change the seasons and to celebrate every part of the season. So I want to invite you to join me in this new season, Summer as It Sizzles, so that we can celebrate everything of summer together. As you can tell, I have lightened my hair up a little bit. I did get balayage and I did lift it a little bit more and I framed the face. I also got a tan. I am back from Aruba and I got a full-on tan. You will see a Aruba video coming up soon. So I want to share with you my trip in Aruba, everything we did, a little bit of tips on what to do down there or where to go, yada yada. I want to share with you my packing video for Aruba, as well as a haul. I kind of bought all kind of new things for Aruba, as I do every big trip. So the videos that I will share with you for this whole season are darling DIY. So I want to do a DIY with you together so that we can take part in the season. We're actually going to do a door wreath together. You'll see that later on. I'm so excited to do that with you, and it'll be fun. The next video you're going to see is a clear complexion. So my complexion changes every season, and I want to show you all of my whole beauty routine and my skincare routine, or I should say my skincare routine for, combating the hot, humid Texas heat. My next video is going to be a flawless face video. So every season I do change up my foundation routine, and I want to show you what I'm doing for this season. I do have naturally oily skin, so I have to combat that, as well as all the previous weather that I just mentioned. So hot, heat, humidity, large pores, everything that comes with that. So I want to share with you my flawless face routine. Also, I want to go into a little bit of a trend tracking with you this year, this summer season. We're going to dive into a trend. I will share more I'll share more of the trend with you in a bit, but I want to really tie down what I'm already planning these videos in ahead so that I can just upload them when it's time. So we're going to talk about a trend for summer, a big trend that's here. I want to show you a domestic, I call it domestic dame, but I just want to show you, I want to show host a party here at my house with my girlfriends, and I want to just show you every step that I take to do that. So that is something already in the works as well. The next video, we're going to dive into my fitness and nutrition, or my fitness routine, in a video series called Svelte Silhouette. And I've already started my fitness routine, and I want to share with you what I've been doing, and just share with you my fitness struggles, if you will, and just show you a bit of before and after. So that's what's coming up as well. I want to take you into my kitchen and show you my colorful cooking video. We're going to dive into some recipes that are really healthy as well as easy to do, because I'm all about minimal time in the kitchen and more time enjoying the season. So yes, colorful cooking will come to you this season as well. I want to do, so I'm going, as I mentioned before, I went to Aruba and I filmed everything that I bought for Aruba, and I want to share that video with you, as well as a, the actual travel vlog of Aruba. I also have a little kitchen beautician, so I like to do things that are, I like to do skincare or hair care or nail care, or, personal grooming care, but something that you can do in your own kitchen for, the minimal amount of effort, and just something that's really healthy for you that you can do on your own and not have to pay these, crazy prices that there are for items. And then I was planning to show you my planner, just a quick flip through of the planner, but I've shifted my gears a little bit from planning, just because I do like to plan. I've always been a planner. I was actually looking at some of my older videos, almost, I don't know, from 2008 almost, and 2010, and ever since, I've always had a planner growing up. But in those videos you see like my old planner, and like looking at those again, I was like, oh, how cool. Like, I don't know, I remember those planners. I remember them specifically, and it's just cool to walk down those memory lanes. So I want to just wrap up my my planner monthly view with you, and so that's what I plan to do at the end of the month. So in order to do that, I am going to upload the videos that I had for the past season. I'm sort of I'm really so behind on those, to be honest, but I'm still going to upload them. I'm still going to do my book reviews, my book hauls, or, my books for the month. But I'm honestly going to do more of like seasonal books, so the books for the whole season, just because I slow down in my reading a little bit in the summer, because I don't know, I like to be outside more so than anything. So I am going to still share what I'm reading, but in not season, not every month. But so that's everything that's coming up. Also, I'm switching my uploading days to Wednesday. So today is National Pink Day, and it's also the first Wednesday of the month. So every Wednesday moving forward, you will see a new video from me. And I'm so excited to get this started. I'm so excited to dive into this season and just do all the things. I'm so here for it. I'm ready for it. So excited, and I would hope that you join me in this journey. Please subscribe to my channel and like the videos. It helps a lot to know what content you like. And yes, I will talk to you guys very soon. Let me know if you like my earrings. Hit me with a flamingo emoji down in the comment section, so I'll know if you like the earrings. Thank you so much for watching my video, for keeping up, and I will see you next week, Wednesday. Bye, guys.